Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can simply turn off preview in Netflix. So basically preview when I hover my mouse over some show and it will preview the show, as you can see. So this is what we want to get rid of, so we want to turn it off. First step in order to turn your preview off is go over to your profile picture and click on account right here. Then scroll down until you see edit settings, click on that as well. Scroll down once more and you should see playback settings. Click on that. And now uncheck this check mark which says autoplay previews while browsing, and this will apply to all devices. And then final step, click on save and you should be ready to go. As you can see, playback settings saved, so go back to Netflix. And now when I hover my mouse over some show, it will not play it back the preview. This is really how simple this is. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.